Hey, quick check-in before you settle in. Let me tell you what living with the height/1003 MKII actually feels like. This is for the kind of person who doesn't chase loud just to be loud. You notice weight, control, and that grounded feeling when sound hits properly. You've reached that point where thin bass and fake rumble immediately break immersion, and you're done pretending it's good enough. Before you go any further, it's worth checking the current price and availability, because this is one of those pieces that tends to disappear quietly when people finally catch on. You know that moment when you are watching a scene or playing a track and you realize the system is working too hard to sound big? That was the moment you knew it was time. The upgrade isn't about more noise. It's about authority. Once this sub drops into your setup, everything relaxes. Your speakers breathe. The room fills without strain. You stop fiddling with volume because the balance finally feels right. Think about late-night movies where explosions used to sound impressive but never physical. Now you feel the floor respond without the windows rattling. Gaming sessions feel anchored, like every movement has mass behind it. Music is where it really clicks though. Bass lines gain texture, not just presence, and you catch yourself listening longer because fatigue is gone. Don't wait around for stock dips or weird price jumps. This is one of those components people circle back to after trying cheaper fixes, and they always wish they'd just done it sooner. You might be wondering if a compact sub can really deliver. That doubt fades fast. The control is the point. Instead of overpowering the room, it locks in with your system and elevates everything connected to it. The surprise is how clean dialogue becomes once low frequencies are handled properly. Voices snap into focus because they're no longer competing. Owning something like this feels different. You're not explaining your setup anymore. You're confident in it. Every time you consider something flashier or cheaper, you come back to how complete this feels in daily use. The bass feels deep but disciplined. The room sounds fuller without effort. Movies gain impact without chaos. Music stays tight, never bloated. You stop tweaking and just enjoy. If there's a downside, it's not a wall shaker for massive spaces. And it rewards careful placement more than brute force subs. At some point, you stop comparing specs and trust the choice you already wanted to make. Don't turn this into one of those upgrades you delay and think about later. Check the price, see what's available, and move forward knowing your system finally has the foundation it deserves.